21's what, Spencer?
20.
20. Oh, that's right, 21 is us.
We're at a 2503 or 2508.
Go ahead, Ray.
Dispatching you to a verbal disturbance at the Town Grove Animal Hospital, 2001 South US 29 Highway, 2001 South US 29 Highway. Cause of an event made himself sick and wants to speak to an officer.
Hello, it's Matt.
Alright, Matt, this is Officer Lewis with the East Spencer Police Department.
Hello, sir. How are you doing today?
Good. What can I help you with, boss?
Hey, so we just had it's kind of weird, something we've never really run across as builders before.
Okay.
We got 4 houses there on 3rd Street.
Right. The new ones that you're currently building?
Yeah, they're all pretty much done.
Yeah.
So we had our real estate agent go up there this morning, and she was like, oh, there's stuff, in the yard in the back. So we felt like a tree had fallen over.
Right.
And so we sent like a landscaper up there this afternoon to go up there and just kind of remove all the debris and that stuff. And he's like, man, somebody cut these, like there's saw cuts on it, sawdust everywhere and that kind of thing. So we were like, hold up. And then he started looking at the house, and then it looks like it actually hit the side of the house too, and damaged, the siding and the soffit and the fascia and that kind of thing.
Right. Okay.
So the biggest thing is, we want to be able to get a report, if we need to run it through insurance or whatever. But then also there's another tree there that it sounds like they've notched it, but it's still standing.
You know who cut it?
I have no idea. We have no idea. And even like the people on the street, they've never really done anything. We had one issue over there. I think appliances got stolen, right? If I'm not mistaken, appliances got stolen out of that 510 unit. But other than that, we hadn't really had anything going on with the neighbors or anything like that.
Okay. Have you been out there to look at it?
Me personally, no, but I have had a guy that's pretty, reliable. He's there now. The crushed sawdust, like it was recent that they cut these things.
Okay.
Definitely this week, I would think, or in the past 7 days or so.
Okay. I'm on my way out there to see what's going on. So you're going to need a report for insurance purposes?
Yeah, pretty much. That'd be the best thing. Just so if we got to go through, the siding and all that stuff, now it's going to add up for sure.
Okay.
And the other tree, for sure. Yeah, that other tree down if it's already notched, that kind of thing.
Okay. Let me get out here real quick. I'm almost there. And then I got which house is it?
So it's the very last one on the right.
Okay.
510 is the street number.
And you got somebody out here now?
I got Chuck, a guy named Chuck's there, and he's a real cool dude. You can pick his brain. He'll let you know what he sees, kind of deal.
Alright. I'm just when I get out here, I'm gonna need to get your information.
Sure.
Company information, some stuff like that.
Yeah, no problem at all. Yeah, feel free if you gotta call me or whatever. I'll be driving here for a little bit, so.
What company y'all work for?
Helmsman Homes.
Okay.
Which there might be something.
The very last one on the right, you said, yeah?
Yes, sir, yeah.
Okay. Let me get out here. I'm out here, Chuck. So, let me get your information real quick.
Sure.
Is it Matt or Matthew?
Matthew is the real name, yeah, full name.
M-A-T-T...
H-E-W, yep.
What's your last name, Matt?
Fullen, F-U-L-L-E-N.
F-U-L-E-N. Okay, your date of birth, sir?
052996.
0529...
96, 1996.
Okay. What's do you got your license on you?
Yeah, here. Yeah, what you need?
Just your license number, if you got it.
The last what?
Not the zeros, just the numbers up
The
there.
last. I got you. So it's 3767
Okay.
2765.
65. Okay. And you work for?
Helmsman, Holmes, HEL.
Yep.
MSMAN.
Holmes. Okay.
Yep.
Is this a good phone number to reach you at?
It is. Yep. The 6243. Yep.
All right. All right, boss. I'm out here with your other guy. So.
Okay. Give him a hard time. Make him think he was like you. Was this you? Was this you doing this out here?
Yeah, I got you.
All right, buddy. I appreciate it.
Hey, so for the report, you'll have to come up probably Tuesday. And you have to actually come to the East Spencer Police Department, or have somebody from your company come to the East Spencer Police Department and have to pick up an actual copy in person between 9 and 5.
Yeah, I know that
Supposed to be like a shower
we've been
room.
able to type in the case numbers. I guess we just had to come get a paper copy.
Yeah, because we're a smaller department, so we got all those capabilities and stuff. So.
Oh, I got you. No worries. Yeah, no worries at all. We're up there quite a bit, so.
All right.
We'll swing by. Thank you, sir. If you got anything, just holler at me.
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll see.
How you doing?
Chuck.
Tyler Lieutenant me.
Nice to meet you.
What happened?
I just was called to clean it up.
Okay.
And I didn't want to touch nothing because it hit the house.
Okay.
You know, so I was like, the superintendent told me come over to this little tree and well, they cut it. I don't know who cut it, but it's cut. So that's the tree that hit the house. It's cut back there. And then this one here, they started to cut and stop. And that's going to wad the house.
When was the last time somebody was out here?
I could ask the superintendent, but these houses have been complete for quite a while.
Yeah.
So I would think not been very, but there's this one that hit.
So yeah, that's pretty clean cut of it.
Yeah, and so it hit the house here, and then this one in the back. Yeah, you know, I don't.
And nobody called anybody out here to cut down trees? Or?
No, I'm the go-to dumb job. You run the mailbox over, I put a new one up, I do that stuff. So I'd be the one, let the realtor come out because they're supposed to go on the market today or tomorrow. Okay. So that was all I saw. I didn't see anything up top here.
Good.
Do you know if the caller is supposed to be on scene?
And you said that's all you saw? I'm gonna assume it was this.
Yeah. But I mean, that one right there, the way that
It looks like they started
right
to cut
here.
it. Yeah.
I would be safe with it cut the way they're doing it without a rope, but. But their office is in Mooresville, the boss is like, oh man, I can't get out there and dinner time.
Yes, sir.
Alright, real quick. When was the last time you had somebody out here? That went.
Before that, probably a week or so.
Probably a week or so.
Last week.
Okay. And the person this morning found it, right?
Yes, correct. Yep.
Okay. What was that guy's name?
Her name is Nikki.
Nikki? Okay, that's the realtor.
Yep, that's correct.
Okay. So before that, you said it's been about a week?
I would think so, the end of last week. Yep.
Okay. Alright, man, I'll get this knocked out for you.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. I don't see any cameras.
The only camera had a camera, and we did the basements and stuff in the concrete. The guy that's sitting on his front porch, he has cameras. I don't know if they work, because we had a machine that somebody tried to hotwire sitting here. We left overnight.
Let me tell you, I don't know how familiar you are with this area. Don't leave anything out here. Do not. Okay. Secure everything. Bolt it down if you can. 'Cause if they can move it, it's gone.
Okay. But that gentleman there, he's got cameras, but he wasn't home when we took our machine.
So you've already talked to him?
No, I have not. Okay. I was letting you guys know that, I was on the store.
Your name was
Chuck.
Chuck.
Yep.
Go up here and grab a notepad and just so we can talk to you. You got an ID on there? Yeah, I'll just stop down here with the notepad. What happened, man? You don't want the mullet no more? You don't want the mullet no more?
Trying to keep up with my grandson. He got his office as soon as I threw mine out.
That's funny. You said Chuck, right? What's a phone number for you?
980.
Okay.
I'll be clear from Belmont, code 1, if you'll put me en route to Herman Street.
Alright. Thank you, boss. I appreciate your time. I'm going to go down here and talk to this gentleman, see if he... Yeah,
He's really the only person I've ever seen home.
Okay. Yeah, man, be careful leaving anything out here. If it's like I told you, if it's not bolted down, it's going to get taken.
They rip the door off and then strip the wires back, like this kind of hot wire. But the bad thing is, well, the good thing for us is it's got a code, so once you get it turned on, you got to punch it.
I got you.
That's it.
Alright, but... Yep.
Or they just fell on the back of the house, or it looked like someone cut it.
No, somebody cut it, and then they tried to... There's chainsaw blades on that one right there. That's still standing.
Yeah.
You can see it like halfway down.
They're trying to get the tree to fall on the house?
I don't know what the fuck is
Look how they cutting it. It's going to come this way.
Well, then they cut the one behind it, but I mean, it's a clean cut.
How can they trying to do? Somebody don't want the house in there. I don't know what the fuck is over there. They so small. I got a little shit. I think every year it's become better. Somebody live in this one? No.
Hey, sir. Can I come up and talk to you?
Hard to hear it. Hold on.
Hey, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
This house over here, somebody cut a tree and it fell on the back of it, and they never had anybody come out there to schedule any kind of tree cutting thing. Have you guys seen
The
anybody?
last house?
The last house, yeah.
On this side or this side?
The right, this one on the
Back
corner.
behind the last house.
Okay, I heard some people cutting, and I had told my husband, he can't hear that well, but I was telling my husband, I says, they must be cutting back there. I said, because I heard a tree fall, and I saw the other trees moving. I didn't see the tree, but I saw the other trees moving like that tree had hit those trees.
Oh, okay.
But that's all I saw. But I do remember saying, what is going on back there?
Yeah. Then the other one, like right here on the side of the house, they started to cut that, and it looks like they were trying to cut it so where it would fall on that.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I didn't know if you guys had seen any kind of company down here or anybody down
I
here.
haven't, not at all.
Okay.
Well, even if I saw them, to be honest, I would have thought that it was somebody working on
right,
that house
absolutely,
over there, so I probably wouldn't have paid it much attention.
Right.
But I know when I did hear that cutting, there was no truck or anything
When
in
was
sight.
that? Do you know?
What happened?
You remember what I was telling you
Yeah.
about the tree falling? Do you remember about when that was?
It was about a week and a half ago.
I'm thinking it was about 2 weeks ago, maybe
2 weeks
3.
ago. Okay.
It's been a good little while.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was about 2 weeks ago because I remember walking over there to see.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
Okay.
So did the people that own that house, did they say that something happened or
So the side of the house is damaged.
bad?
Not bad, no.
Oh,
the
okay.
tree barely missed. It
Oh.
barely missed.
Oh, okay.
But
So really they
the
wanna-
company that owns the house, because the same company owns all four
Right,
of these
I know.
houses.
Mhm,
Yeah,
mhm.
they just needed us to come out
And
right,
look at
and
it.
look at it for insurance and stuff.
Oh, okay.
So,
okay.
but I'm trying to figure out who would be cutting the tree so where it would look like try to fall on the house.
Right.
'Cause it's not, because I thought, okay, maybe it was like nature or something.
No, it wasn't nature
No,
because I
'cause
was hearing
it's
the
just-
saw.
It's a straight cut. So.
Yeah, I heard the saw sawing.
Mm.
But I was thinking, because I had said to Jackie, I said, do you think that they're going to build more houses down that way?
Mm.
And Jack said, no, if they was, they would have been able to build them all at the same time like they did these four.
Yeah.
So I was thinking maybe just another property owner doing something back there.
Okay.
Wow.
Well, I appreciate your time.
No problem.
God bless you.
Medical 2650 Long Gray Road, 2650 Long Gray Road.